In this video, we're going to talk about the EzyGrind Inside Pipe Cutter from TigerFish Tools, and we're going to talk about doing it safely, and we're going to do it right now. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I've been plumbing over 38 years, and I have every master endorsement in the state of Texas. On this channel, I'm teaching you everything you need to know about plumbing. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe so you don't miss anything. So guys, what I've got is I've got the EzyGrind Inside Pipe Cutter, and I like this because over here in the United States, we've had some tools that we've used before. I haven't found anything that I like as well as this. Now this cuts PVC, ABS, and HDPE. Now one thing here, you've got an adapter that you can change out depending on how thick of the wall is that you're wanting to cut. Now here in the United States, we use mainly PVC, so I've changed this to the smaller blade that helps me cut through the thicker wall thickness. To use the EzyGrind Inside Pipe Cutter, insert it, push it up against the outer edge, and start your drill turning. Once you go all the way through, you're going to want to go around in a clockwise direction, applying pressure towards the outside to keep that blade pushed against the outside. Go all the way around, and when your pipe comes off, you're done. Imagine that this is sticking out of a wall and you don't really have room to get a saw in there. Or even better, imagine this is sticking up out of the ground. The smaller blade cuts 1.5 to 3 inch pipe. The larger blade cuts 4 to 6 inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate this on a 2-inch piece of pipe. And as you see, I have on my safety goggles. You want to cut down so you know that you've gone all the way through, and then you want to turn it in a clockwise direction. And as you can see there, it is cutting through nice and straight, and there's not a lot of pressure on this. I'm actually coming around very easy, and it's doing all the work. I just have to make sure that I keep it straight. And as you can see, it made a nice straight cut. Now I really do like this tool. We've had some before with different blades on them, and one thing that I like about the EzyGrind tool, you can also get change-out blades. So this is something that I can see a good use for pipes either sticking out of the wall or sticking up out of the floor for, say, a toilet flange where you need to cut it off flush. So guys, like I just showed you, if you've tried this tool before, if you've done the EzyGrind Inside Pipe Cutter, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you've tried another tool, which I have and didn't have great luck with it, but if you've tried one, please leave me a comment down below. If you've tried this and you like it too, let me know there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I enjoy bringing you new tools and things that you can try. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber, and I'll see you on the next video if you don't get flushed.